Welcome back to another adequate unboxing video. Today we have the dartboard. It's great for hours of office fun. Folds for travel. Yeah, let's just jump into it. Then a nice quick slice. Missed. Okay, all right. Nice top position. Aha. Okay, we got oof. Don't need this anymore. What we got here? Keep this from babies. And they really want to keep this from babies. All right. So we got 3 darts here. The board. If I just take 1 dart, let's give it a toss. Hey, I got 11. That's 3rd highest on the board. Okay, got it. Oh, let's make this challenging, hey? These are strong magnets. Is there a certain way to hold a dart? It didn't come with instructions. Hey! Well, I don't think that's worth anything. 20! Nice. Well, yeah, that's on the 20. I don't know what these inner circles mean, but for the win. Yeah, I don't know what that one means. Let's do a best of 3. Alright, so on this one I got 20 points. Get those darts back. Come on. Okay. Best is 20 so far. Hey, that's 7. Yeah, pretty good. With maybe a side motion here. I don't know what that means. Oof. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, quick Google search. Those triangles are also the points. So I either get them in the triangles or I can hit the number. That's a 10. Now it's a 6. Okay. These are kind of hard to hold, actually. 1. Okay. Still beat my record here if I just get a 20 or a different number. Maybe go back to two-handed throw. All right, ready? Ooh. Ooh. Hey, that's a 15. 5 plus 6 plus 1. That's more than 20. Well, this has been the dartboard. It's for travel, and just grab your darts just like that. You just put the darts here, you close that lid, Never mind.